Hello, welcome to the final class of Footwear Making course, and today we'll be talking about industry trends and also professional advancement. The footwear industry is dynamic, combining craftsmanship, technology, fashion, and also commerce. To remain competitive and relevant, footwear makers must understand current trends, technological innovations, and also sustainable practices. This module explores the broader industry landscape from global market opportunities to strategies for professional growth. By embracing this development, you can position yourself for long term success, innovation, and also recognition in both local and global market. Let's have an overview of the footwear industry. The footwear industry is a vast eco system with multiple interconnected segments and manufacturing. Um, the segments include manufacturing segments, which is the production from raw material to finished product, ranging from mass production to bespoke custom designs. Another segment is the retail segment, which is the sales through physical store, boutiques, markets, and also increasingly online platform. We have the design and innovation segment also, which deals with designer and innovators setting trends and also influencing consumers and preference. And lastly is the support services, where materials, suppliers, logistics, provider, marketing agency, and training institutions are all embedded. The market characteristics, the first one is diverse product range as per casual, formal, sport, protective, specialized. Also, there is growing consumer demand for comfort, durability, style, sustainability, and also customization. And in Nigeria, local artisans compete with imports through custom design, affordability, and also cultural relevance. Let's look at recent developments in the industry, and we talk about the technological innovation. The first we'll be looking at is the computer aided design, and the digital pattern it actually brings about allows for digital pattern drafting and also design visualization. It improves precision, reduce error, and also allow easy customization before physical production. And the next is the 3D printing, and it's actually a rapid prototyping of sole, footbeds, and also complete design, and it enables complex patterns and also small batch production that would be difficult with traditional method. The automated machinery is another one where we talk about modern stitching, lasting, and also sole attaching machine, which reduce manual labor while improving consistency and speed. The next development is the laser cutting and engraving. This is actually a precise cutting of material and intricate decorative design, and it reduces waste and also allows detail customization. Lastly, is the digital market and e-commerce. It's the integration of production with online sales platform, which expand client reach beyond local market. Looking at the material innovation, which is another recent development, we talk about eco-friendly material, recycled rubber. We talk about recycling of rubber and leather, plant-based leather alternative like pineapple leather, the mushroom leather, and the likes. Another is the biodegradable, adhesive, and also synthetics. Another is the high performance material, and this is actually memory foam and gel insole for superior comfort. And that is high performance rubber for enhanced durability and slip resistance. It's actually breathable, moisture wicking fabrics for sport and outdoor footwear. And The smart material is another where we talk about temperature regulating fabrics, self-cleaning, and also antimicrobial surfaces. Sustainability in footwear making. Sustainability is no longer optional. It is a critical business imperative, and key sustainable practices include eco-friendly material, waste reduction, energy and resource efficiency, where we talk about energy efficient machineries, the LED lighting, and also water saving techniques in leather, processing reduce environmental impact. And another is ethical sourcing, where we talk about procuring materials from suppliers who follow ethical labor and animal welfare practices. Last is product longevity and repairability. And this deals with designing for durability and offering repair services, extend product life, and also build customer trust. The business case for sustainability. Adopting sustainable practices is not just good for the planet, it is good for business. And when we talk about this, we talk about consumer demands, where modern consumers increasingly prefer eco-friendly and ethically produced products. Sustainability can be a powerful differentiator. Another is brand reputation, and this is the demonstrating of environmental responsibility, uh, which enhances brand credibility and attracts loyal customer. And that is cost saving, which energy efficiency and waste reduction can lower operational cost over time. Another is regulatory compliance, as we talk about. As environmental regulation tightens, sustainable practice ensures compliance and avoid penalties. And the last one is market access, which is many international markets requires adherence to sustainability standard making, and it's essential for export readiness. Looking at the export opportunity and global market, exporting footwears opens door to larger market, revenue diversification, and also global recognition. And there is need for you to be able to identify export markets, and this can be regional and it can be international. Regional markets include that of Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, and other African countries with demand for quality, affordable footwear. And for international, it includes Europe, the United States, and Asia have niche market for handmade, artisanal, and also culturally distinctive footwear. And another opportunity is the export preparation. Um, for this, um, you ensure products meet international quality and also safety standard. Package professionally with branding, labeling, and also care instruction. Also understand custom regulations, duties, and also shipping logistics. For marketing for exports, you need to utilize the e-commerce platform. You also need to participate in um, international trade fairs and fashion events. You need to collaborate with global distributors and also influencers. Opportunity in niche global market. The niche market offers premium opportunity for Nigerian footwear makers. And for this, we talk about handwool made and artisan footwear. We also talk about the eco-friendly and sustainable footwear. Another is custom and personalized footwear. And the benefits of exporting include the diversifying of revenue beyond local market. And so it also enhances brand credibility and recognition. And lastly, it encourages innovation and higher production standard. The professional growth in footwear making, continuous learning and skill development are essential for career advancement, and key strategies for professional growth include skill development, continuously enhancing skill through workshop advanced training and the likes. Another is networking, where you join professional associates to be able to learn more and also um, gain more. And another is certification and recognition. The next is mentorship, and the last is continuous learning. Specialization in footwear making. When we talk about specialization, it actually allows you to be able to stand out and command premium pricing. And types include the type based, the material based, the design based, and also the technical specialization. When we talk about time based, it's focused on specific category like formal, shoe, boots, sandals, sportswears, and the likes. And for material based, it's the development of expertise in leather, synthetic materials, recycling materials, or eco-friendly alternatives. And for the design based, it's actually the cultivation of skills in um, custom design, fashion forward footwear, and also culturally inspired uh, style. And lastly is the technical specialization, where there is a mastery of advanced techniques such as um, lasting high quality finishing, ergonomics design, and or modern manufacturing technologies. And the benefit of specialization is that it builds a unique market identity and also competitive advantages. It commands premium pricing for specialized expertise, and also it enhances career development, include high level brand employment, and also international um, consultancy. Let's look at the professional advancement plan. Creating a personal professional advancement plan helps you to be able to set and track progress. An element of an effective plan includes self assessment, where you identify your current skills, the strengths, and also area of improvement. Another is the specialization goal, where you define your niche, where you will focus on the niche you will focus on. And then another is the skill development priority. It must be in the plan. The network strategy must be in the plan. The technology adoption plan, where you identify technologies to integrate and also timeline for adoption, is very, very important. Also, there is need to also include the export readiness and also the timeline and metrics, that is the establishment of short-term plan and long-term plan or goal with measurable outcome. And lastly is the regular review, where you schedule periodic review to assess progress and also adjust your plan. In conclusion, the module has provided a comprehensive view of the footwear industry dynamics landscape and the opportunity it presents. And you have explored technological innovations. You've also understand critical importance of sustainable practice. You have also identified export opportunities and global markets. You have learned strategies for professional growth and specialization. The footwear industry is evolving rapidly. By embracing this trend, adoption, adopting responsible practice, and also committing to continuous learning, you can build a sustainable innovation or innovative and globally competitive career. A journey from artisan to industry leader begins now. The future of footwear is in your hand. Thanks for taking time to go through the module, the class together. Thank you.